alam naman natin na hindi tayo makakaabot sa budget na ito kung wala yung mga taong sumuporta sa atin simula pa lang ng una. Kaya ako'y lumilingon sa aking pinanggalingan, kaya ako'y nagiging humble simula ngayon, hanggang ngayon. Thank you.
Na natutunan mo sa pageantry. What's the most important thing pageantry has taught you? Ano ang pinakamahalagang bagay na natutunan mo sa pageantry?
So for me, it is self.
Who has helped shape the person you are today? Sino ang malaking naging impluwensya sa kung sino ka ngayon? Let me repeat. Who has helped shape the person you are today? Sino ang malaking naging impluwensya sa kung sino ka ngayon?
The person that helped me to be the way that I am right now is my mother. Because my mother is a hard-working woman, and I want to experience, to be an optimistic person like her. So everyone, let us continue to show love and respect to our parents, most especially to our mother. And with that, we can say that we are successful and lovely. Thank you.
Wow! Number 12, Santa Rosa! Congratulations you the most in your everyday life. Sino ang pinaka nagbibigay inspirasyon sa'yo araw-araw?
Hello everyone. For me is yung aking magulang. Dahil lumaki ako sa isang mahirap na pamilya at I think kaya ako ginagawa to is para sa pamilya ko dahil ginagawa nila lahat para mabuhay kami ng mga magkakapatid. Kaya nandito ako ngayon para tuparin ang pangarap ko para din sa para sa pamilya ko. Yun lamang po.
Thank you so much, Municipality of Rizal. Being Mr. Laguna International mean to you personally, ano para sa'yo ang ibig sabihin ng pagiging Mr. Laguna International?
Good evening. Personally, for me, being Mr. International Laguna isn't just about having a great body and having a good looks. For me, it is a platform that we can use to educate people about, just like me, about youth empowerment that focuses on implementing healthy lifestyle to other people and healthy mind. Because I believe that self-confidence can be achieved when you have a healthy body and healthy mind. Thank you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 16. You could swap lives with someone for a day. Who would it be and why? Kung maaari ka makipagpalit ng buhay sa kahit sino sa loob ng isang araw, sino ito at bakit?
Kung gusto ko makipagpalit sa isang buhay, as I live in Los Baños, so which is known na mga fishermen ang lagi nagtatrabaho doon. So I would like to experience how hard work they are to promote our product in Los Baños when it comes to fishermen. And also, I think I can use this platform so that we can help our fishermen para mapanatili nating malinis ang ating ekonomiya. Ay lamang po, maraming salamat.
Congratulations, representative. Would give advice to your younger self, what would you say? Kung may maipapayo ka sa mas batang bersyon ng sarili mo, ano yun?
Well, if I can give advice to my younger self, it will be authentically yourself. Because in this world that's full of hatred, bashing, comparison, and discrimination, we can never please others. But we have that eagerness in our heart to be the best version of ourselves in our daily lives. Then we can make an impact to others. And in that way, we can really accelerate the acceleration of success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Imar Panlangin, from the skill ng pwedeng agad matutunan. Ano ito?
I think that would be to do my own makeup. For all the people know, we candidates always dependent to our makeup artists. We tend not to do our makeup on our own when they are not in each other. And I believe in Robbie Domingo said that men can also do makeup, and it does not compromise your masculinity by doing your own makeup. As long as you're confident in yourself and you know your purpose in this world, and you can make your own decisions in life. That will be all. Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you so much, Victoria. Gusto mo If you had a time machine, what year would you visit? Kung may time machine ka, anong taon ang gusto mong balikan o puntahan?
Para po sa akin, ang taon na babalikan ko nung bata pa ako dahil gusto kong maranasan ang pagmamahal ng aking nanay. Kaya sa ating po lahat, patuloy po natin mahalin ang ating magulang. Nang sa gayon, magkakaroon tayo ng matagumpay at maayos na buhay. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Santa Rosa 21. If you had to describe yourself as a flavor, what would it be? Kung isa kang flavor, ano ka at bakit?
My flavor would be sweet because it is like my personality. I'm sweet to everyone, especially in my siblings. And when I'm connecting with people, I use my kindness and respect. That's why I'm a sweet person. I thank you.
Thank you so much, representing Bay! How do you handle stress when things don't go your way? Paano mo hinaharap ang stress kapag hindi umaayon ang mga bagay sa plano mo?
For me, the way I handle stress is I always keep a positive mindset. Because I understand, as a young entrepreneur and also a student, I understand that not every day, not all your plans will go 100%. Maybe your Monday would go 80%, maybe your Tuesday may go 50%. But I always understand that if I plan, everything may not go, but I always keep a positive mindset. Because if I always keep a positive mindset, I can always think that tomorrow is another day for me to achieve my goals in life. Thank you.
Congratulations and